Let's try this pumpkin cream Alani Nu. Forgive me, I have just came back from Pilates, but let's go ahead and give this a try. I have so much to do, so I really need this. So definitely pumpkin-y and like creamy. I'm just like not the biggest fan of pumpkin. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if I like it. I think this would be good if it wasn't carbonated. But since it is carbonated, I unfortunately will not be drinking it. But good thing I do have the caramel apple one. So I will be drinking that one.